How to cross-reference tables and figures in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Simply right-click on the table. Then search for Insert Caption. If you don't find, simply search. You'll find Insert Caption. Click on Insert Caption. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply add your caption, like the title you want, and select Label, Equation, Figure, or Fig. Simply select Table, and in Position of our selected items, then add your caption. As you can see, I've added caption. If you want to add new label, simply click on New Label as well. If not, simply click on OK and you're good to go. And second option to do cross-reference table is simply click on where you want your cross-reference. Then go to References on top beside Layout and Mailings. Click on References and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, simply click on Insert or Cross-Reference. In here, simply add your reference type, insert reference to, then for which number, and then click on Insert, and you're good to go. That's how to cross-reference tables and figures in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.